right now you just need to put the cushion paper here, and in few seconds it will give you all the answer, which is amazing. This robot will take care of your pet as well. You don't need to worry how to find a chef. This chef will work for you. It has camera, it can talk to you, and this is AI, very smart. And this is for the solar panel cleaning. It can destroy anything, and this is complete AI. It can rotate like 360. It can carry weight like 5 kg. Check out the size of this robotic dog. Welcome to Canton Fair Phase 1 Day 5. Today's video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to show you the AI, robots, new technology, new innovation that can help you to grow your business, your personal life, because China's new technology is amazing. It's quite great. And if you haven't watched Canton Fair Day 1, Day 2, Day 3, Day 4 video, you should go and watch those videos because they can help you to grow your business. And I'm gonna show you the new mind-blowing technology. So let's explore together. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe and explore. This is a great innovation. Right now, you just need to put the cushion paper here, and in few seconds, it will give you all the answer, which is amazing by AI. I think this is quite great. And so right now, a lot of teachers, I think they should be worried because AI is going to take their jobs. And instead of this one, this is complete school, I think. This is a complete institute. For example, you can learn Chinese, you can learn math, you can learn English, you can learn art, you can learn science, hobby like piano, drawing, anything. So this AI will do everything. So right now, I think a lot of teachers, they should worry that their job is going to be in trouble, I think, because this is the future right now in China. This is the future right now. If you want to open a Hotpot restaurant, you don't need to worry how to find a chef. This chef will work for you. And this is a great business model, and it's not in market yet. This robot will do everything for you, which is quite amazing. You just need to give him give the robot like the vegetables in raw and the meat. It will do everything, and I think it will also gain so much popularity. Your restaurant will be like so hot because of this new idea. So I think you should take this opportunity. Right now, I think China already make the chef who can make the hot pot, which is quite amazing. This is a collaborative robot. It can use in different things, and the best part is it can rotate like 360. It can carry weight like 5 kg. They fix the high voltage wires and can go so high, and it can use in industrial purpose. It can use it in universities for experiments. You can do a lot of things. You can see it is something like this, and also have that one. So I think this is a great technology as well. Check out the size of this robotic dog. This is quite popular in China right now. It can do a lot of things. Check out that video. Right now, a lot of people, they are using this kind of robotic dogs, and because they are quite smarter, and you don't need to feed them, just give them charging, and it's enough. They have cameras, they have AI, so they are quite smarter. Welcome to China.
You're settled out here only now?
I'm here in like the 14 years.
For the last 14 years you're settled out here?
Yes, and how's Canton Fair? How's everything?
Wonderful till now.
Do you like it? Great.
It is way more bigger than I expected, so I thought I'll cover in 2 days.
Okay.
Not the case.
I wish you best of luck, and this is a great place. China is great. You will have a great time here. Check out this one. This could be your companion robot, and it will accompany you day and night, and it has camera, it can talk to you, and this is AI, very smart, and it has all these functions like AI voice interaction, multimodal, sensor and effective, and the more you chat, the more it understands you. So this is the future right now. You can see you can have this kind of pets, it can talk to you, and it can also take care of your safety as well, and especially they are very smart. I think this is a great business model as well, because this robot will take care of your pet as well, and it will deliver the food. It has camera. You can also do the monitoring of your home. So I think this is a great thing, and it has all the sensors, and your pet, because pets right now, they're like a family. A lot of people, they really take care of their pets very well, but they don't have time. So this robot will take care of your pet as well. And this is for the solar panel cleaning, and it's very safe. Right now, you don't need a person who clean the glass, and yeah, So it's very safe, especially for the high-rise buildings.
I'm from India.
Great. Nice to meet you.
Same here, same here.
Brothers.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you give me your WeChat or head office address?
Yeah. This is in small size and it and also clean the glass as well. And yeah, check out. This is quite famous, quite hot product right now here in China. And this machine, this robot can help you to lift up your legs. And you can see a lot of people they're here. I shoot the long detailed video before, you can check in my channel. But yeah, I can tell you a little bit. You can see it can, if your legs can't move, won't move, so it can help you to move your legs. So that's why you can see a lot of people they're here to try, because I think this is also a quite noble thing. This robot is quite different and it's quite luxury because it can do the toy storage, laundry care, the object delivery, shoe organizing, and yeah. So especially for the kids, if you're not at home, it can play with your kids. It also has a camera and it can also speak as well. So I think this is a quite unique one. This is another business model for the fried stuff, like for fried chicken, French fries, fried fish, and it can fry all the things. You just can insert something here, like all the details, and after that, it will do all the things. It will fry the thing, take out, and yeah. I think this is a great business model if you want to maintain your SOP. So this robot can help you grow your business. And this is not new technology here in China, and it's right now it's very normal here. And after passage of time, they always have like the new innovation in this kind of stuff. This is a police. It can float in water, it can go anywhere, and it won't have any problem. Check it out. And it's quite heavy, it's very popular here in China. It can destroy anything, and it is complete AI. And it won't have any problem, it won't have any error because this is AI. And check it out. Yeah, a lot of people, they are having videos with this police, and yeah. Yeah, so this is the future of police. Guys, one day is not enough to shoot all these great technology. I'll come here again and I'll cover all the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. I'll come here every single day to show you the new technology, new innovation, new products that can help you to grow your business. And if you have other queries instead of this, you can contact me. There's a form in description. I'll be your business partner here in China, and see you in next video. Stay premium.